Can you tell me what you picked up off the counter at the checkpoint?
Yes.
Okay.
Why would you pick it up in Dallas, then drop it off at a completely different airport with people that they didn't come through?
Can you turn around for me?
Go ahead. Turn around.
Put this down. Okay.
A $60 Cartier watch, left at a TSA checkpoint, picked up by a stranger who boarded a departing flight. The law does not weigh intentions alone. It weighs conduct, and the two did not align.
Hello, ma'am. Is this... How you doing? I'm off your side. So, what's going on?
I just had on my watch and I just passed through and I took it off.
Okay.
And now,
It just...
and I realized after half an hour that I didn't take it. But
Okay, so you've been gone for about half an hour before you realized you didn't grab it. Okay.
So half an hour. It's been half an hour since you come through here.
yes, maybe a little more. But I realized after half an hour.
And it was this lane? Came through lane 4? Gotcha.
One of the officers ended up putting it up there where I lost the pound is.
Putting up where?
Tell them to check right here for the camera to review this.
Okay. Hey, yeah, one of the TSA people said they found it and set it up here on the counter. Yeah. And apparently somebody took it. So I don't know if you can see where I'm at.
First of all, I didn't know this was out.
Yes. So I know who set it up here?
I did.
You did. Don't ever do that again. Okay. Either like a watch or something that's got value to it. Set it back here. Okay. So okay. What time did you set it up here? You know?
Like an hour ago.
Like an hour ago.
That's what we said our lost and found stuff at.
Huh?
We said our lost.
Yeah, but what you got to understand, there's a lot of people coming through here, and if they set something valuable up here,
Yeah, but she did something.
no, it's no big. I mean, it's not too big of a deal.
It was on the bill.
It's on
so
the bill.
It could have
Okay.
been taken from
Yeah.
over here or over here.
Understand? Yeah, I understand. But I mean, if you think something of value, just set it back here. The passenger will come back for it. You know. So okay, I'm sorry. So they're looking to see an hour ago.
Okay, she's got to go. Flight's currently boarding. She doesn't want to mess
You get
up
all the
the
information.
Yes, I'm a girl.
So you got driver's license.
She doesn't have a driver's license.
Okay, address.
Email, phone. I'll get her address.
Yeah, address, and then value of the watch, and what the watch
Here's the
was.
gift. She has no
Do
clue.
you want to show the watch picture?
Yeah, if you've got a picture of the watch, it's awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna have you put your home address in there as well.
This is the watch.
And then it is going to be a recorded test, so
And get the name of the watch, Cartier, he's got value.
all right. So go ahead and put your home address in there for me. All right, so that's the report number. So oh, yeah, that's the report number.
Do you have approximate value?
I'm not really sure, but it's like 6K maybe.
Huh?
6K. It should be 6K.
6,000.
Yeah, it should be. I mean,
Okay, we just need to do it for a report. So we're trying to get an idea what the value of it is, because that determines the level of offense. So I mean, you can tell me what you think it might be, and then we go from there. Okay.
he doesn't mind. Geliyorum. Tamam, okay.
Yeah, it's on up here. And someone came by. And,
So can I go now?
yeah, you're good to go. Just take that report number. I'll get it all in. Okay. If I have
Thank
any
you very
questions,
much.
I'll give you a call or an email. Okay.
Thank you very
No
much.
problem. Thank you.
Hey, just real quick. I think I look familiar. You just got boarded. Do you know? Not sure. Or
I'm not sure.
okay. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take a look. Said he come to gate 16.
She said he was last seen. Come on.
Huh?
If you want to call, I'll walk the aisle.
Okay. It's 6:36. Okay. Well, we're on the airplane. We're on the airplane right now. We're going down to it, so that's what I was calling about. Make see if he boarded. So we're going on the airplane now. Okay. Thank you.
Hey, sir.
Hey.
I'm Officer Sykes, DFW Airport. You mind stepping off the plane? Yes.
You got your bag?
Go ahead and grab your bags as well. Yeah.
We'll have him step off the airplane and have a discussion with him, and then we'll go from there. How you doing, sir? I'm Officer Sykes. This is Officer Sykes. Can you tell me what you picked up off the counter at the checkpoint?
Yes.
Okay. Is this yours?
No.
Then why did you pick it up?
I tried to find the lady.
Was it yours?
I don't know.
You don't know, but you just picked it up and left.
Uh,
You picked it up off the counter, but
Yeah.
it wasn't yours, correct?
No, it wasn't
It
mine.
wasn't mine. Why did you pick it up?
Because I say I'm gonna give it to the lady that was there. I didn't find
What
it
lady? So why didn't you take it back to the checkpoint?
because I thought I couldn't give it to the lady.
But
That's why I.
but you
give
didn't
it
know where the
to
lady was, right?
I saw her. I saw
So,
her. I saw the
and,
lady.
and actually, you committed theft.
Committed?
You committed theft.
What's that?
What's that?
No,
That's taking someone's property that doesn't belong to you.
yeah, but
It doesn't matter.
yeah, you're right.
It's up to you. Whatever you want to do.
You're right. You're right. That there is.
So, what's the reason? Why'd you get it on the plane? Why not take it back to the checkpoint?
I didn't think about it. That I just say I'm gonna give it to the girl. I walk around and I say I give it in Boston when I arrived there. I found
She's
it.
not on your airplane. You know what airplane she's going on? Hey, you know where she's going out at?
I have a picture of the boarding pass.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
It's up to you. Whatever you want to do.
I don't wanna. I don't
Hey,
need.
hand me the watch.
Yeah, I don't need to get up that. I don't wanna say that I live well. I don't have
right.
necessity.
Look, you can. I'll let you go on and give me an info. You got a license on you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't really need to.
I get that, but the fact is that
I'm so sorry.
you took it off the counter.
Yeah, I'm so
Then
sorry.
you kept it.
Yeah,
So you're sorry now because we caught up with you.
yeah.
Yeah.
You,
Yeah.
you call me up. You call me by the phone, by the. So sorry.
That's not an excuse.
Yeah, I know that's no excuse, but I try.
No,
To find-
you
okay.
should have never picked it up. That's the problem.
I'm so sorry.
5, 7,
I say I'm gonna get the girl over there.
6, 5, 5.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me have the watch. We're gonna walk up here. Okay. I'm gonna go get this thing to her. We're gonna walk up here to the gate.
Walking out this way.
Okay.
Yeah.
And she's going out at 14. Yeah, 14. Okay. We'll be right back. You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, yo.
Good morning.
Seth, you remember this passcode? That's what I did. Oh, it's going now. I tried that. Thank you. I get this girl's watch back here. She's on here, so we're trying to find her.
Hello.
Hey, how y'all doing?
How you doing?
Good.
I'm
You're
trying to look for a
scary.
young lady for got a watch back for.
Oh.
I'm gonna trace
Yeah,
right
this
through
is
this if I
already-
find her. There you go.
Right, how did you find this?
We found the guy that took it.
Oh gosh.
So the guy that took it,
Oh,
he said he's trying to find you, but that was a
It
lie.
was
So
security
we're
guy, right? It
yeah,
was the guy
um,
who worked with you.
one
Yeah, I
second.
understood.
so we're arresting him right now, and
Yeah, I
we'll take
understood
him in.
over there.
Okay,
The
so
guy with long hair, right?
not
No? Okay.
older gentleman. So
Oh.
so okay, all right. Y'all have a good day. Okay.
Did you say you found it?
Well, we had a guy stole it. So we
What?
found the guy, got it back from him, and took it up here.
This
to us.
morning, before daylight, somebody stole her watch.
Oh yeah.
How?
Yeah. Well, what happened was she left in the ticket on at the
Belt.
check-in.
Yeah.
So they found it.
Yeah.
They set it on the counter, and then this guy walked by and picked it up. So anyway.
I think that's great.
Yeah. So MCR, our camera people, one found him. So
I'll figure that out.
great job. So.
So sorry, sir.
Yeah, but you're only apologizing now because we saw you. We got you on the phone.
Yeah, I say if I don't find it here around here, I'm gonna give it in Boston. Say I found this. And
Why would you do that though? Why would you pick it up in Dallas, then drop it off at a completely different airport with people that they didn't come through to say you found it?
yeah, but
I mean, that doesn't make any sense there.
that was my idea. Sorry.
It was already sitting on the counter at the TSA desk.
But if you see the video, you can see that I was looking to get all around that. I didn't find it. You can look.
Okay, see, that's great. If you then return it to the location that you
Yeah,
got it, but instead
that
you
was
put it
my-
in your pocket and you got it on your
Yeah,
flight.
that was my mistake.
So here's I'm gonna just be upfront with you right now. What we're looking at, okay? Because the theft, that's not a cheap watch. You understand that watch that you took is multiple thousands of dollars.
What?
It's thousands of dollars.
No.
Yes, that watch that
I-
you picked up
I
is
didn't
thousands. Okay, but that's what you get when you just pick up property that's not yours. You don't know, and then it ends up being something that's thousands of dollars. The lady who owns it is boarding a flight right now. If we're not able to get that watch for her,
I can send
this is
it.
going to be a theft.
I sent it here.
You're not going to be doing anything with it, and you had no idea who she was.
No. I just found it. I say I found this. I'm gonna try to find the girl. Get it here.
But even when you found it, you didn't find it. It was sitting on the TSA desk.
Yeah.
It was sitting up on the desk. You walk by. We have video of you just walking by, looking at it, and then grabbing it. How did you know it wasn't one of the people that were right there in the area? You didn't look anywhere inside of the checkpoint to see if it was somebody's. And it just doesn't make any sense. It doesn't add up. There's no logic to it.
Okay. Sorry, sir.
No, you're fine.
Okay. All right.
The watch and everything.
Yeah, she's got it, so she's happy. So good. Go ahead. Go ahead and turn around for me.
Go ahead. And turn around.
Put this
your
down.
stuff down.
Okay. Turn around.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Sir, you're being arrested for theft of the watch. Oh, this wrist too much. Yeah, make sure. Here you go. Good. The phone of arm.
Was this theft or a misguided attempt to help? Can stated intent override what the surveillance camera recorded? And if an officer says we are overlooking it before making an arrest, what happens to everything the suspect said next? Texas Penal Code Section 31.3 defines theft as unlawful appropriation of property with intent to deprive the owner at approximately $60. This is a state jail felony under Section 31.3 May 4, carrying 180 days to 2 years in custody. Section 31.1 D2 defines appropriate as exercising control over another person's property, regardless of stated intent. Physical possession plus departure from the premises is sufficient. The subject's own admission confirmed he took it knowingly. Section 31.13 defines deprive as disposing of property in a manner that makes recovery by the owner unlikely. Surrendering a Dallas item at a Boston lost and found satisfies this definition. The owner has no reasonable path to recovery through an unrelated facility. A good faith lost property defense requires a reasonable effort to locate the owner. Boarding a departing aircraft without returning to the checkpoint or notifying any TSA personnel on site fails that standard as a matter of law. Surveillance footage showed the subject looking at the item on the counter and taking it without pausing to engage checkpoint personnel. Under Texas law, intent is established by conduct, not by what the defendant claims he planned to do at some future point. At initial contact on the aircraft, this was a consensual investigative stop under Berkemer v. McCarty, 1984. Such encounters do not trigger Miranda requirements. The subject was not yet in custody, and no formal arrest had been made. Miranda warnings were not legally required at that stage. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, requires rights advisement only at custodial interrogation, when a reasonable person would not feel free to terminate the encounter. The threshold is objective, based on the totality of circumstances, not on whether the officer subjectively considers the person a suspect. The officer's statement we are overlooking it is a recognized minimization technique. Under Colorado v. Connolly, 1986, a vague implication of leniency alone does not render subsequent statements involuntary. But Texas courts scrutinize such statements on a case-by-case basis. Any admission made after an implied promise of non-prosecution will face a voluntariness challenge at trial. The prosecution must demonstrate that statements were freely given, independent of the minimization framing used before the arrest. Lesson 1. Leaving high-value property on a public counter at a security checkpoint creates a foreseeable risk of opportunistic theft. TSA protocol requires secured handling of found items, not public placement that exposes them to the general passenger flow. Lesson 2. When using minimization techniques during a pre-arrest interview, the voluntary nature of subsequent statements must be carefully documented. Surveillance evidence here provides independent corroboration, but relying solely on post-minimization admissions is a prosecutorial risk. The watch was recovered, the arrest was made, the charge was filed, but the legal questions do not end at the airport gate. Can a court find intent when the subject claimed good faith throughout? Will statements made after we are overlooking it survive a challenge? Does boarding a plane with someone else's property constitute disposal, making recovery unlikely, even if the subject planned to return it? And does the surveillance footage alone carry the prosecution without relying on a single word the suspect said? The answers will determine whether this case holds at trial.